One small mistake while buying insurance can cost you lakhs of rupees during a claim. And the shocking part is that most people in India are making these mistakes right now. In this video, I will explain the 5 biggest insurance mistakes you must avoid. Hi everyone, welcome back to Insurance Gyan. My name is Alka, and I work in the insurance industry. On this channel, I explain insurance in simple language so you can protect your money and your family. Let's start with the first mistake. Mistake number 1. Buying insurance only for tax saving. Many people buy insurance only in March for tax saving under Section 80C. They don't check the coverage, the benefits, or whether the policy actually protects their family. Remember this. Insurance should be bought for protection, not just tax saving. Mistake number 2. Choosing the cheapest policy. Another common mistake is buying the cheapest policy available. But cheaper policies often come with limitations like lower coverage, high deductibles, long waiting periods. When the claim happens, people realize the coverage is not enough. Mistake number 3. Not disclosing medical history. This is one of the biggest reasons claims get rejected. If you hide medical conditions like diabetes, blood pressure, or past hospitalization, the insurance company can reject the claim later. Always declare everything honestly while buying the policy. Mistake number 4. Not reading the policy terms. Most people never read the policy document. Important things like waiting period, exclusions, co-payment, these are written clearly, but people ignore them. Understanding these terms can save you from surprises during claims. And the last mistake they do is buying insurance too late. Many people think they will buy insurance later when they get older. But insurance becomes more expensive with age, and sometimes you may not even get coverage due to health conditions. The best time to buy insurance is when you are young and healthy. Insurance is one of the most important financial decisions you will make. Avoiding these simple mistakes can protect your family and your savings. If you want to understand insurance in simple and practical language, subscribe to Insurance Gyan. In the next video, I will explain how to choose the right health insurance plan in India. Trust me, this knowledge can save you lakhs of rupees in the future.